Today we will learn the derivation of the pH of weak monobasic acid. Weak monobasic acid in the sense which will give you the 1H plus ion. Let us consider the HA is the weak monobasic acid. When we are dissolving in the water, it will dissociate into H plus and the A minus. It will be dissociated. So initial concentration of the HA will be like C. So H plus concentration is equal to 0, A minus concentration also will be 0. At the time of the equilibrium, from the HA, some amount of the acid will be dissociated. Let us say that X. So same amount of the H plus will be formed, A minus will be formed here. So right now formation of H plus I am considering it as a C alpha, A minus also will be like C alpha. Then whatever the acid is left after at the time of the equilibrium, C minus C alpha. From this ionization constant Ka we will write product upon the reactant H plus, A minus and HA. Now write the in terms of the concentration. H plus concentration here is equal to C alpha. A minus concentration is also is called as a C alpha. HA concentration is equal to C minus C alpha we can write here. So simplify C alpha, C1 minus alpha. Here C get cancelled. Now Ka is equal C alpha square 1 minus alpha. After this, so now we got the derivation formula Ka is equal C alpha square 1 minus alpha. This is the important formula here. So generally alpha we can neglect with respect of the 1. So Ka is equal to C alpha square. Why? Because alpha for weak acid is less than the 1. When alpha will be negligible in the sense dissociation will be 0.05 percentage less than will be considered. Generally alpha we can calculate root Ka by C. So when we have to neglect the alpha, so when we have to use this one, when we have to use this formula. So for example, if Ka by C value is less than or equal to that 25 into 10 to the power of minus 4, that time you can use the Ka is equal to C alpha square. It is greater than that time you have to use the Ka is equal to C alpha square 1 minus alpha. Now we are using that one negligible value. Ka is equal C alpha square. From this we can write alpha is equal root over Ka by C. I know that here you can say check it H plus concentration, even OH minus concentration also we can use the formula C alpha. Now H plus concentration is equal to C alpha. I know that alpha is equal to root over Ka by C. So alpha is equal to root over Ka by C. If you simplify, we can write H plus is equal root over Ka into C. Even same thing applicable to the OH minus. OH minus how to calculate Kw by the H plus. So now you can apply the log on the both side if you apply. So log H plus is equal 1 by 2 Ka into C. Here we can write log. So log H plus is equal to 1 by 2 log Ka A into B. We can write A plus B log C will be there. Apply the negative on the both sides. So minus log H plus 1 by 2 minus log Ka minus into plus minus log C. We know that minus log Ka which is equal to pKa. So you can apply here. So right now I can write pH is equal 1 by 2 pKa minus log C. This formula will help to find out the pH of a weak acid.